welcome to Educlub for you again. And today in this video, we try to find out some questions that related to pipe and cistern. This is just the same as time and work, and we should go through the same process that we are using to solve the questions related to time and work. The same LCM method or the same process we can use here to find out the answer instantly. Okay, but before going to this video again, I'd like to request all of you to kindly subscribe this YouTube page. If you are having any kind of doubt, or if you are not solving any question, then send us those questions, write down those questions in this YouTube page, share our videos, and press the like button. So let us start the video. Here, in the previous time and work question, A will do some work. So instead of any person, the same work is done through the pipes. The only difference is, here the pipe can be defined in two ways. One is a filling pipe, another one is empty pipe. So if the pipe fills the cistern, we take it as a positive thing, and if that one is empty the tank, we take it as a negative thing. Okay, now let us try a question. So here in this question we are having three number of pipes. Pipe A that can alone fill the tank in 12 hours. Pipe B that can alone fill the tank in 15 hours. Whereas pipe C can empty the tank in 30 hours. Okay. Now, if all the three pipes open together, what is the time needed to fill the tank? So here also we take the LCM of all the three, 12, 15 and 30. So LCM is 60. So 60 divided by 12 means pipe A can fill 5 liters per hour. 60 divided by 15, pipe B can fill 4 liters per hour. And again 60 divided by 30, it means pipe C can empty 2 liters of water per hour. So when all the three pipes are open together, here two are filling pipes and one is empty pipe. So what is the net quantity of water that filled per hour? So A is filled 5 liter, B is filled 4 liter and C is empty 2 liter. So 5 plus 4 minus 2. So here 7 liters per hour. And we are having totally 60 liters. So what is the time required? 60 divided by 7, finished. So this is 8, 4 by 7 hours that required if all the three pipes are open together. Clear? Let us try another one. Here let us suppose A and B, there are two pipes. Together they can fill a cistern in 4 hours. But the individual capability of A and B are not given. The only thing that given is A can fill 6 hours less time in comparison to B to fill the tank. Now the question is, find the time taken by A to fill the cistern alone. Okay, now here we are having the data that both A and B are filling pipes. So if A is taking X hours, B will take X plus 6 hours. Now when both work together, this is what? AB divided by A plus B. Because this particular method, I just suggest all of you in the part 1 of time and work. Okay, now So this is x into x plus 6 divided by x plus 6. So this is the total capacity of A plus B. But here in this question it is given A plus B is taking 4 hours. So if you solve this equation, finally you will get the value of x. And here x is the filling capacity of A. So here if you solve it, x equals to 6 hours. Okay. Now, this LCM method can be applied there where the individual capacity is given. If it is not given, you can take an unknown variable as x. Okay, let us try the third one. There are 3 pipes A, B and C. Those who can fill the cistern in 12 hours, 15 hours and 20 hours respectively. Now, A is open for all the time, whereas B and C fill, or you can open B and C on alternate hours. Now the question is, how much time required to fill the tank? Okay, so according to this question, the pipe A fill the cistern from the beginning to the end, and B and C on alternate hours. So what the option that we have? A plus B first hour, then A plus C second hour, A plus B third hour, then A plus C fourth hour, and so on, so on. So we'll go through on that way also. So first hour, you take the LCM first, 12, 15 and 20. LCM is 60 liter. Now, per hour, the efficiency of A is 60 divided 12, 5 liters. For B, 60 divided 15, 4 liters. For C, 60 divided 20, 3 liters. Okay, but here A is from beginning to end. First hour, A and B. So if it is A and B, this is 5 plus 4, 9 liter. In the next hour, we are having A and C. So this is 5 plus 3, 8 liters. So all total means in a pairing of 2 hours, A plus B and A plus C means every 2 hours they can fill 8 plus 9, all total 17 liters. Okay, so every 2 hours 70 liter. Total we are having 60 liter. So the maximum quantity or the maximum number of pairs we can generate is 3. 17 into 3, 51 liters. In 2 into 3, 6 hours. Okay, so what is the remaining quantity that we have? 60 minus 51, 9 liters left. Now, it is the turn for A and B. What is the capacity of A and B? 5 plus 4, 9. And the remaining is 9 liter. So, they consume another 1 hour. So, finally, this is 6 plus 1, 7 hours required. Finished. Okay. But in some questions, capability is related with time frame. I'll give you one question on that. Let us suppose there are 4 pipes, A, B, C and D. So these 4 pipes can fill a cistern in 20, 25, 40 and 50 hours respectively. Okay. Now, let us suppose pipe A opened at morning 8 a.m. Then pipe B at 10 a.m. Pipe C at 11 a.m. and finally pipe D at 12 p.m. Now the question is, when will be this tank completely filled up? This is the question. Now, here also we go through the same LCM method, 20, 25, 40 and 50. So LCM is what? 200. So what is the efficiency of pipe A? 200 divided by 20, 10 liters per hour. Or pipe B, 200 divided by 25, 8 liters per hour. Or pipe C, 200 divided 45 liters per hour. Pipe D, 200 divided 50, 4 liters per hour. But pipe A opened at 8 a.m. in the morning. In this type of question, when the final pipe, here it is D, when the final pipe will open up, you find out the total amount of water that being filled up till that time. So here our target is 12 p.m. Morning 8 to 12 means pipe A opened for 4 hours. Efficiency of A is 10 liters per hour. So within 4 hours, this is 10 into 4, 40 liters. Okay. Now pipe B opened at 10. So till 12, it's open for 2 hours. Now the efficiency of B is what? Here efficiency of B is 8 liters, 2 hours, 16 liters. Now what is the efficiency of C here? 200 divided 40 means 5 liters. C opened at 11. So till 12, 1 hour. So 1 into 5 liters. So all total, they can fill how much? This is 40 plus 16 plus 5. 61 liters. So what is the remaining part that can be filled by all together? Total we are having 200 liters. Till 12, 61 liters already filled. So remaining is what? 200 minus 61, 139 liters. This 139 liters from 12 p.m. onwards filled by all the pipes together. So when all works together, what is their efficiency? So here the efficiency is what? You add up all the 4. Here it is, we are having 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4. All total 27. Okay. So remaining we are having 139 and all efficiency is 27. 139 divided by 27. So this is 4 by 27. This is the time after 12. So the tank will fill at 5 p.m. 4 by 27. Okay. So whatever be the question, if you consider the efficiency, you can find out the answer instantly. If after that, if you practice any question, if you are having any kind of doubt, you can write down to us in this YouTube page. And if you really like this video, kindly share it. Thank you.